ïing dorbar thawan ke jalam ta kasi kala Mynjur dakarai ya ka chispa arpre amendment bill arajar khat khandai ban pinjlan ya ke jingbang bhah ya scheduled tribe pat scheduled caste ïing dorbar parliament bat assembly ya ke negrai la wanra du menteri rangba ke jalau konrad ki sangma hapok ïing dorbar thawan menta kasi ya ke ni jingbha ya ka kam nong mi khmat ya ki ST pat SC lapsut ha ka article lifestyle ko riti sanchar jongkari Habawanra yakni menteri rangba ke jalau konrad ki sangma long bau kwa ban penchai yakni ka amendment kabayadai berkapa yaki ST ban SC ulong bakum maka julong la penjalan tang sipos nem yaki ST ne SC ba lale yakni nadu menchwa kani kijing ai pha kalong hadu nyopos nem dak ba penjalan man ke sipos nem bat lingba kani karai ke jingmang pha kanlong hadu 8000 lai pho kani kijing ai pha kanlong hadu nyupo snem dak ba penjalan man ke chupo snem bat lingba kani karai ke jingmang pha kanlong hadu usnem 8000 lai pho hagni ke jalam meghalaya ke jingmang pha yeki ST kalong sanpusan na kan rupo bat santli lamang nebu kum ke general constituency u konrad ulong ba ai ba kani ke rukom le kan beteng kum ba ke julong re hagni ke kenti ko mamta la pendu no ya ke jingmang pha ya ke anglo indian ki badan kumba aspa ke ïing dorbar thawan ke jalam ta kasi kala Mynjur dakarai ya ka chispa arpre amendment bill arajar khat khandai ban pinjlan ya ke jingmang pha ya scheduled tribe pat scheduled caste ïing dorbar parliament bat assembly ya ke negrai la wanra du menteri rangba ke jalau konrad ki sangma hapok ïing dorbar thawan menta kasi ya ke ni jingpha ya ka kam nong mi khmat ya ki ST pat SC lapsut ha ka article lifestyle ko riti sanchar jongkari habawanra yakni menteri rangba ke jalau konrad ki sangma long bau kwa ban penchai yakni ka amendment kabayadai berkapa yaki ST ban SC ulong bakum maka julong la penjalan tang sipos nem yaki ST ne SC ba lale yakni nadu menchwa kani kijing ai pha kalong hadu nyopos nem dak ba penjalan man ke sipos nem bat lingba kani karai ke jingmang pha kanlong hadu 8000 lai pho
So that I mentioned about the fact that Anglo-Indians, particular amendment mentions clearly that the reservation, when it comes to the Anglo-Indians, will be kept for 70 years, not extended to 80 years. And of course, we are not privy to all the information that is there in the parliament and in the government. But on inquiry and the information that we have received from the ministry itself, that as of now, the Anglo-Indian population in India as a whole is approximately 295. So we have 295 Anglo-Indian population in the whole country. So therefore, keeping this number of 295 in mind, giving a reservation in Lok Sabha of 2 Lok Sabha members, and also giving membership representation in 14 states was quite a large number. So there